In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Steam Remote Play Together in just 5 minutes. Steam Remote Play lets you stream games from your PC to other devices so you can join your friends in a multiplayer experience even if they're miles away. Whether you want to connect with a buddy down the street or across the globe, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. First, let's get started by opening your Steam app. You'll usually find this either on your desktop or through your start menu. If you haven't installed the app yet, head over to Steam's website to download it first. Once you've opened it, the next step is to click on the login button. If you're not logged in, simply enter your account name and password. If you're a newcomer or you've forgotten your credentials, use the provided prompts to recover or create a new account. Once your details are set, click on the sign in button. Having successfully logged in, move your attention to the top of the Steam window and click on Steam and then Settings from the drop down menu. Here's where we'll set things up for remote play. Find the remote play option in the menu list on the left and click on it, then make sure you enable the feature that allows direct connection by selecting automatic under the allow direct connection section. This essentially optimizes network performance by smoothly sharing IPs when necessary. Next, you'll want to turn on the advanced host options. This feature offers additional controls to enhance your host gaming setup. Right after that, you'll see the option to enable hardware encoding. Activating this will help reduce any lag issues by leveraging your hardware to handle the game streaming process more efficiently. Then prioritize your network traffic. This means your game data will get top priority over other types of data being sent through your network. This step is particularly effective if you want to minimize disruptions or lag during your gaming session. For client devices, under the Enable Advanced Client options, set your video transmission to fast. This setting optimizes the speed of your video stream, which can be beneficial for improving performance, especially if dealing with slower network conditions. On the bandwidth limit, select unlimited or choose the option that best suits your needs. Higher bandwidth will generally ensure better performance. Also, set the resolution limit to automatic. This ensures that the best possible display quality is achieved based on the capacity of your host and guest devices. Finally, make sure to turn on hardware decoding on client devices. This option uses their hardware to decode the stream efficiently, offering smoother gameplay. After these steps are completed, you're all set up and ready to enjoy a seamless gaming experience with Steam Remote Play Together. Remember, each setting can be fine-tuned based on your specific needs, network conditions, and the capabilities of your hardware. So, feel free to revisit and adjust as necessary. Enjoy your game and happy playing.